Hello everyone. In this episode of Smart Life, we'll cover the top 5 models available in the market. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on quality, popularity, price, and more. I've included options for every type of buyer. So, if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you. Please check the link in the description below for more details. Let's dive into the video.
If you are looking for the best exercise bikes, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Exerpeutic Folding Magnetic Exercise Bike. This Exerpeutic bike can be folded to half its size and has wheels for easy portability, making it a great option for those with limited space. Easily adjustable to fit users 5 feet 3 inches to 6 feet 1 inch. Supports up to 300 pounds. It has 8 levels of resistance, a simple LCD display, and hand pulse sensors to track your heart rate. This compact bike can be easily folded. It also features a large seat cushion and can accommodate a range of heights and weights comfortably. Can be moved with the included transportation wheels. Number 2. YOSUDA Indoor Cycling Bike. For half the price of our overall pick, you can enjoy many of the same cycling perks with this YOSUDA bike. The 35-pound flywheel and heavy-duty steel frame give you the stability you need, and the belt-driven system makes for a smoother and quieter ride. At 270 pounds, the maximum weight capacity is a little lower, the manual resistance knob gives you total control and the caged foot pedals keep your feet in place at all times. What's more, this model features an LCD monitor that tracks your time, speed, distance, and calories burned. Number 3. Schwinn Recumbent Bike Series. Recumbent bikes allow you to recline further, relieving discomfort and tension on the lower back. Featuring 25 levels of resistance and a variety of pre-programmed workouts. This model from the Schwinn Recumbent Bike Series is a great option for any fitness level. 25 levels of resistance for a wide range of workout intensity options. In addition to offering Bluetooth connectivity to sync with your favorite fitness apps, it boasts built-in speakers, a large LCD display, a charging port, and an adjustable fan. Bluetooth connectivity syncs with the Schwinn Trainer app and other apps for fitness tracking. Number 4. Exerpeutic Gold Heavy-Duty Foldable Exercise Bike. For folks with limited home gym space, a foldable exercise bike can be the best solution. This heavy-duty steel frame from Exerpeutic supports an impressive weight capacity of 400 pounds. It also features easy transportation wheels that help you move the bike from room to room as you need. The upright-style bike utilizes a magnetic tension control system with 8 smooth resistance settings, making it easy to work at your ideal intensity. The seat is also large and padded, fitting virtually any exerciser comfortably. The bike includes an LCD display. Number 5. Lake Fitness Lake X Exercise Bike. Whether you're short on space or want to switch up your workout location, check out the Lake Fitness Lake X bike. This exercise bike easily folds and includes transportation wheels, making it easy to transport anywhere you want. It can be used as either an upright or recumbent bike and has 10 levels of magnetic resistance for a fully adjustable ride. The exercise bike ideal for both beginners and professional athletes. The handlebars also have built-in heart rate sensors, and the bike includes a display with information on your speed, time, and distance.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.